We're looking at face value, place value, and total value of decimals. So let's have a look at number 1. So the number is 2.876, and we're being asked to focus on this digit and give the face value, place value, and total value of that digit. So if I look at the 7, what I do know is that's the units. This is the tenths. This is the hundredths, and this is the thousandths. And so from there, I can start to solve or give the solutions to the problem. So the face value, that is 7. The place value, I've already said it, it's the hundredths. I can also write it like this, 0.01. And the total value is to take face value and multiply it by the place value. And in this case, it's more handy in some ways to do decimals. So that's going to be 0.0, and then I go 7 times 1, which is 7. So the total value is 0.07. I could do it like this, 7 times 1 over 100. Convert that to a fraction. So 7 times 1 is 7, and 1 times 100 is 100, and so I could also give it as a fraction, which is 7 over 100. These are the answers that I'm going to need for number 1. For number 2, let's have a look at that. So I've got, what is it, 0.9007, and I have to focus on this digit. So again, let's have a look. The face value, well, that's easy, isn't it? Face value is 0. The place value, okay, so I just have to go, that's tenths, that's hundredths. That's the same as before. So the face value is 1 over 100, or hundredths, or I can go like this. And so the total value becomes, well, it's 0. So 0 times anything is going to be 0. So those are the solutions for question number 2. Question number 3, we have 2.445, and we are interested in this digit here. So really quickly, this is the tenths, so that should make things kind of straightforward. The face value, they're always easy. It's just what the digit is when you look at it. It's a 4. Place value, well, we've just said it, it's a tenth. I can also express that as 0.1 as well. And the total value is the face value, which is 4, multiplied by the place value, which is 0.1. And in this case, it'll be 0 point, and then 4 times 1 is 4. So I can have, as a decimal, 0.4, or I can get the answer as a fraction. So multiply 4 by a tenth, convert the 4 to a fraction, 4 times 1, so numerator times numerator is 4. Denominator times denominator, 1 times 10 is 10. And so the total value is 4 over 10. Either or, these are the solutions that you need for number 3. And for the last one, we've got 20.012. We're supposed to focus on this digit right here. And that is, well, this is the tenths and this is the hundredths. So face value, that's easy, that's 1. Place value, that is also relatively straightforward. Or I can have 0.01, 2 decimal places, because there are 2 zeros in the fraction. So that's that. Total value, all I have to do is take the face value and multiply it by the place value, 0.01. So as the answer, I just have to copy this bit and then multiply 1 times 1, which is 1. So the total value can be expressed as 0.01, or I can go 1 times the fraction, so it'll be 1 times a hundredth, convert the whole number into a fraction, and then say numerator times numerator is 1, denominator times denominator is 100. And so I can also write it as a fraction. And that is pretty much all there is to it.